Hello and welcome. Brett here with clickmail.co. In this course, we're going to be talking about data. It's going to be an introduction to digital data, what it is, how you use it, why it's important, um, and I guess why it's really important. So if you're moving into digital marketing, if you want to run a business on the internet, you have got to be best friends with digital data. And I can't understate how important this is. I work with all kinds of organizations. And one of the things that I see most commonly is that there is confusion amidst their team as to why they're not getting the traction they want online. And then when we get into conversations about decision-making processes and how they know what they're doing, they're not using data at all to drive decisions or to get information about their users. They're just sort of licking their finger and putting it in the air and hoping that it's a great idea. And that is no way to run business or ministry or anything that you're doing in the 21st century. So we have to have data. Data is vitally important. So in this video, let's just get in and just say, what is data? And data is exactly what you would think it is. Data is all of those numbers and all of those statistics that tell you about either a user or user behavior, and usually it's some combination of the two. And so sometimes we can have data on like individual people, but more often, at least digitally, it's going to be looked at in aggregate. And so you're going to be looking at large data sets, 100, 200,000, 10,000, 100,000 people to see what they're most likely to do in any given scenario so that you can then predict future behavior and then you can communicate with them in a way that's most likely to get that behavior. So this is what data is. It's the stats, it's the statistics that you get from measuring on any given platform. Now, of course, you can do this in any number of ways, which we'll get into in a future video. You can also collect data in person. So this is something that can be done as well for more brick and mortar stores as well. So we'll talk more about that in future videos, but in this video, what's data? It's just the numbers. It's the numbers, it's the facts, it's the statistics that are running into your organization. All right, so thanks so much for being here with me in this course. In the next video, we're going to continue on and we're going to talk about why data is so important. We'll see you there.